Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Squarespace domains with Adobe Express for branding step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu on the left side of your screen. Select the settings option from the menu. Click on domains to access your domain settings. If you haven't already, purchase a domain or select an existing one. Next, take note of your domain name for later use. Open a new tab and go to the Adobe Express website. Log in to your Adobe Express account. On the home page, click on Brand in the top menu. Then, choose Branding to set up your brand identity. In the Branding section, look for the option to add a custom domain. Enter your Squarespace domain name in the provided field. Click Verify to check if Adobe Express can access your domain. Once verified, you'll receive a prompt to configure your domain settings. Return to your Squarespace tab and go back to the Domains section. Select the domain you want to connect with Adobe Express. Look for the option to edit DNS settings. Add the necessary DNS records provided by Adobe Express. These usually include name or records, depending on your setup. Save your changes in the Squarespace DNS settings. Head back to Adobe Express and confirm that the DNS settings are correctly configured. Once the domain is connected, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Lastly, check your branding in Adobe Express to ensure it reflects the new domain. Your Squarespace domain is now successfully connected with Adobe Express for branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.